Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start the activity 11, that is area of a trapezium. Objective of this activity is to find the mathematical formula for the calculation of area of a trapezium experimentally. Materials required for this activity: cardboard, thermocol sheet, geometry box, drawing sheets, a pair of scissors, adhesive. Prerequisite knowledge: concept of a trapezium, area of a parallelogram. Theory. So first, concept of a trapezium: a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel is called a trapezium. So in the figure, ABCD is a trapezium where AB is parallel to CD and AD and BC are non-parallel sides. So here is the figure. So here ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. That means AB and CD are parallel sides and AD and BC are non-parallel sides. So area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Procedure: take a cardboard piece of suitable size and by using adhesive paste a drawing sheet on it. By using thermocol sheet, cut out two congruent trapeziums of parallel sides of length x and y units and with h units as altitude, as shown in figure. So these are two congruent trapeziums having the parallel sides x and y, and the altitude of each trapezium is h unit. Now place both trapeziums on cardboard adjacent to each other as shown in the figure. So these are the two trapeziums, those are placed adjacent to each other. So by the two trapeziums the figure formed is a parallelogram. Then come to demonstration. So this is the figure obtained by placing the two trapeziums adjacent to each other. The figure formed is a parallelogram. So in this figure below, a parallelogram PQRS is formed by placing both trapeziums adjacent to each other. In the parallelogram PQRS, base is equal to x plus y unit and the corresponding altitude is h unit. Look at the figure. The base of the parallelogram is x plus y unit and the height or altitude of the parallelogram is h unit. So now area of parallelogram is equal to base of the parallelogram into corresponding altitude. So here in our parallelogram the base is x plus y and altitude is h. Hence the area of the trapezium, which is equal to the half of the area of the parallelogram, that is half whole into x plus y into h, or that is equal to half whole into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into altitude. So by the activity, this is the result. The formula for the area of a trapezium is verified experimentally. We got the formula for area of a trapezium is half whole into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into altitude. Thank you.